All right, I'm going to work on some of the unit rate problems from the test, and I'm going to solve these problems using tables because there's so many ways that we've shown you in approaches. There's multiple approaches, but I think I'm going to solve all of them using a table because it feels the clearest to me. In this case, Rachel can plant 6 hours flowers in 15 minutes. So I'm going to make a table relating flowers to minutes. So I know, let's set this table up. Got flowers, we got minutes. And I know that she can do 6 flowers in 15 minutes. And then I want to figure out how long it's going to take her to do 30 flowers. Well, because I know it's a proportional relationship, because it says if she continues at the same rate, well, 30 flowers, that's 5 times as many flowers. So it should take 5 times as many minutes. So I could just take 15 times 5. And I'm going to get 75 minutes. So the answer is 75 minutes is how long it'll take her to plant 30 flowers. The next problem talked about a train in Canada traveling 932 miles in 5 hours. And we're assuming that this train moves at a constant speed. So I'm going to set up that table again. We got hours, travels, miles. Well, I know that it travels 5 hours. It goes 932 miles. I want to figure out how many miles it'll travel in 1 hour. Well, to get from 5 hours to 1 hour, we got to multiply by 1/5. That's a fifth, right? 1/5 of 5 equals 1. It's a proportional relationship, so I'm going to multiply the 932 miles times 5, times 1/5. So 932 miles times 1/5, that essentially is 932 divided by 5. If I take 932 divided by 5, I end up with 186.4. So that means in 1 hour, this train can go 186.4 miles. Let's take a look at one last problem. Ross bought 4 pounds of potatoes for $3.20. So we could say there's a relationship between the pounds and the cost. So 4 pounds cost $3.20. What's the unit rate? Well, I want to know that means how much does 1 pound cost? So here again, let's multiply by 1/4 because 4 times 1/4 equals 1. So it's a quarter of 4 pounds. So we do the same thing to the cost. It should be multiplied by 1/4, 1/4 of the $3.20. So I take $3.20 times 1/4. That equals 80 cents. So 1 pound of potatoes costs 80 cents. So the unit rate is 80 cents per pound. Okay. So you can see in each of these questions, the way that I solved them was I set it up with a table. We knew that they were proportional relationships looking at the header of these problems. So using the table helped me solve them in a clearer way. Hopefully that helps. If you got any questions, be sure to let me know.